How to activate my CommBank card. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So here's how you can activate your CommBank card. The first one is by using the CommBank application. So open your CommBank application, log into your account. After that, tap on cards, swipe to find the card you want to activate, and then tap on activate card. And using Net Bank, if you haven't already, register for netcode. Log into the Net Bank, go to settings, under security, select card activation, enter the last 4 digits of your card and select check. Enter and confirm your PIN and then select set PIN. Click on get net code and enter your net code and click on activate. Also note that to activate your card online, you must be registered for Net Bank or the CommBank app. Not all the replacement cards needs activation. Check the card section in the CommBank app to see your active cards, and the primary card holder must activate both of their own card and any secondary card holder's card. If you have power of attorney or the financial management order, you can activate a card on behalf of another card holder at CommBank branch. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.